So, good morning, students. Yes, we will start our science class now. You know that we are doing chapter number 6, parts of a plan. So, I will continue from there the chapter because question answer has not been completed. We are doing short answer question. Okay? We will do the short answer question. We have done up to what is root, and rest of the question 4a and 5 I have done the video and I have given it in the YouTube channel. You must have watched it, I think. So once again I will recap what we have done in 4a and 5. I will do that once again because what is up to question 3 from short answer question of the chapter 6, parts of a plan, we have done already. अच्छा अच्छा okay. So this one, so I will continue this one. For flowers spread their sweet fragrance. I write the page number here. This page number 42. Okay. Okay, flowers spread their sweet fragrance all around. They do not restrict their smell to any boundaries. Flowers spread their sweet fragrance all around. They do not restrict their smell to any boundaries. Okay. So number A we will do because number B is value corner question. We will not do that one. So number A, 4A. We are doing number A, short answer question 4a. Write the question now. What attracts butterflies towards flowers? What attracts butterflies towards flowers? Okay. So answer, everyone will write. Those who have written, they need no need of writing them. They will see the answer only. Write down the sweet fragrance of flowers attracts butterflies towards it. Okay, the sweet fragrance of flowers attracts butterflies towards it. Now number B, I will discuss that one. Okay, I will discuss this one. Number B, what can you learn from flowers? You know, flowers are the most beautiful and attractive part of the plant. Okay, flowers, they have good color, very beautiful colors. There are many beautiful colors of the flowers. So flowers give us good fragrance or smell. Okay, that attracts the insects for pollination. Actually, pollination is one type of process by which fertilization takes place of the plant. Okay, means the flowers is changing into fruits. Okay, so this is the flower, about flower. Now we will go to number 5, question number 5 from short answer question. What is lamina? So everybody must write down the answer. What is lamina? Number 5. What is lamina? What is lamina? Okay. You know the answer very well. This one is a easy one. We have already discussed it. Write down the answer. What is lamina? The broad and flat surface of a leaf the broad and flat surface of a leaf is called the leaf blade. It is another name for lamina. Remember, another name for lamina is leaf blade. The broad and flat surface of a leaf is called the leaf blade. I will underline this one. Or lamina. Okay, so this is completed. This is completed now. Okay. Now we will do the long answer question. Okay. Okay, so we have completed this short answer question. I will draw a margin here. Now number G, same page number 42. Okay. Long answer question. Okay, number 1. Question number 1. Let me read it out. Why are leaves called food factories of a plant? Name to leaves which store food. So let us do this one. First I write down the question. Why are leaves called food factories of a plant? Yes. Okay, let me write the question first. Okay. Of a plant, name to leaves which store food. So why are leaves called food factories of a plant? Name to leaves which store food. So answer, write down. Leaves are called the food factories of the plant because they prepare food for the plant, plant. Okay. So leaves are called the food factories of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. Now another part is there of the same question. Name two leaves which store food. Okay. Two leaves that store food are spinach and cabbage. Spinach and cabbage. Okay, I can underline spinach and cabbage also. I will underline there. I have underlined here food factories also. So I will repeat this answer once again. Why are leaves called food factories of the plant? Name two leaves which store food. Leaves are called the food factories of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. Two leaves that store food are spinach and cabbage. Two leaves that store food are spinach and cabbage. Understood, everyone? Okay. Okay. Now we will do the another question also. So I will rub here. I am rubbing this number F. I am rubbing number F 4 and 5. Not long answer question. Huh? Number 4 you have not completed from short answer question. Okay, I am rubbing number 4 then. Okay, very good. Write quickly. You please write quickly, okay? Okay, very good. Let others complete. Now we will do number G. Long answer question. Question number 2. What is the question? Your question is, what is germination? Question is, what is germination? Draw diagram showing germination. You can see this question in your science book, page number 42. Okay? So, let me write the question for here. What is germination? What is germination? Draw diagram. Draw diagram. Yes. Okay, okay, very good. So let me write the answer first. Okay. So draw diagram showing germination. Okay, this is the question. So I will write the answer. What is germination? This is from page number 40. I am writing the answer. You write the process of The process of growing of a new plant, the process of growing of a new plant from a seed. When I am adding one more line here, okay, you will write this one. The process of growing of a new plant from a seed when it means here seed. It refers to seed. When it gets enough water, air and sunlight, is called germination. Is called germination. You underline the word germination. Now I think all of you have completed number 5 question of short answer question. Okay. So I am rubbing this one because another part is there. I will discuss that one. So germination is completed. Okay. So the process of growing of a new plant from a seed when it gets enough water, air and sunlight is called germination. Okay, now another part is there. Draw a diagram showing germination. So what will you do? You will write the answer. You have written the answer. Then in the opposite white page, you will draw the diagram. Your diagram is given here. I am showing you. The diagram is on page number 40. The germination of a seed. So I am writing there. For diagram, see page, which one? Number 1 you write down. I have written here. You are not writing the answer? Yes? Oh, okay. I will repeat it. Okay, let me tell this one. For diagram, see page number 42. You will draw page number 40. You will draw this diagram from page number 40. That germination of a seed. Okay, germination. You will draw that diagram from page number 40. Germination of a seed. Okay, I have written here. So I will repeat. Today up to this question means today up to question number 2 we have solved today. Okay. Next day we will continue with question number 3. Then I will be starting one new chapter. Okay. So see here question number 1 long answer question. I will repeat once again. Why are leaves called food factories of the plant? Name 2 leaves which store food. So your answer is leaves are called the food factories of the plant because they prepare food for the plant. Full stop. Okay. 2 leaves that store food are spinach and cabbage. CABBAGE. Okay. Now so question number 12. So what is germination? The process of growing of a new plant from a seed when it gets enough water, air and sunlight is called germination. Understood? The process of growing of a new plant from a seed when it gets enough water, air and sunlight is called germination. Okay, then you have to draw the diagram there. For diagram, see page number 40. I have written here. You will see page number 40 there. You draw from there. See at the given there, germination was seed and a drawing is given. You will draw from there. Okay. So, okay students, today up to question 2 we have done. In our next class, we will doing the rest question, means one question only left from long answer question of the chapter 6. Then we will be starting a new chapter. Okay. So all of you will do that one. So okay, bye everyone. Yes. Okay. Thank you everyone and goodbye.